Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let's make some pie. With Thanksgiving approaching, I thought I could share with you an easy apple pie recipe. This is what you need: pie sheets or pie crust, sugar, oil, nuts, cinnamon, and of course apples. After you washed the apples, peel them and grate them. Although eaten in Europe since long before the European colonization of the Americas, apple pie, as used in the phrase "as American as apple pie," describes something as being typically American. In the 19th and 20th centuries, apple pie became a symbol of American prosperity and national pride. Lay a sheet of baking paper in your pan. Set your oven at 180 Celsius or 360 Fahrenheit and let's make the pie. It wasn't until World War II that apple pies really became stamped into the American consciousness as a patriotic pastry. American soldiers during the war commonly told reporters that they defended their nation for mom and apple pie, and boom, the apple pie became American. Lay the pie sheet. I usually lay 2 sheets at a time because they are very thin. Sprinkle some oil, grated apples. Break some nuts with your hand, this way you make sure the pieces aren't too big. Sprinkle 2.5 tablespoons of sugar. You can use white or brown sugar. And fold it like this. This dessert is crunchy and moist at the same time. It's delicious. It's perfect for gatherings, family lunches or dinners. Thanksgiving. You could also bring it to a party you are invited to. This is so easy to make, just like the popular colloquial idiom, as easy as apple pie, which means extremely easy, simple or intuitive, requiring little skill or effort. On my channel, I do videos about organization, decor, cleaning motivation, home projects, gardening, and laundry hacks. I hope you will stick around. I also did a lot of videos regarding folding different items. Once you're done watching this video, be sure to check out my cleaning hacks playlist. I will help you clean faster and easier. If you're hosting Thanksgiving or other holiday, it can be overwhelming with all the dishes you have to make, all the decor, drinks, and everything. So having an easy and fast dessert recipe is very helpful. Some members of our family don't like cinnamon, so I sprinkled cinnamon only on the last sheet, but you can use cinnamon on all the sheets. At the end, sprinkle some oil, 2.5 tablespoons of sugar, and some poppy seeds. Then bake it for 45 to 60 minutes. It depends of the oven. Watch it from time to time until it looks like this. A little gold with crunchy brown ends. Yummy! I wish you could smell my kitchen right now. So delicious. Let it cool, then cut it in little squares. That's it. So simple and delicious. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye!